GED geometry formulas. Area, perimeter and volume, everything on the test area formulas you must know. Rectangles and triangles, rectangle, A equals length times width, triangle, A equals 1/2 times base times height. Circles and trapezoids, circle, A equals pi times or superscript 2, trapezoid, A equals 1/2, B plus B2, times H, rectangular prism, box. Volume equals length times width times height. This is the most common 3D shape on the GED. A box 5 cm times 4 cm times 3 cm, V is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 equals 60 cubic centimeters. A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2. Used for right triangles. C is always the hypotenuse, the longest side, opposite the right angle. A and B are the two shorter legs. If A equals 3, B equals 4, C superscript 2 equals 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, so C equals 5. The 3-4-5 triangle appears constantly on the GED. Question 1 of 3. A triangle has a base of 7 cm and a height of 8 cm. What is its area? Option A, 28 square centimeters. Option B, 24 square centimeters. Option C, 30 square centimeters. Option D, 20 square centimeters. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 28 square centimeters. Area of triangle equals 1/2 times base times height is equal to 1/2 times 7 times 8 equals 28 square centimeters. Always remember the 1/2 for triangles, forgetting it is the most common geometry error on the GED. Question 2 of 3. A circle has a radius of 5 inches. What is its area? Use pi equals 3.14, option A, 50.24 in superscript 2. Option B, 25.12 in superscript 2. Option C, 78.5 in superscript 2. Option D, 31.4 in superscript 2. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, 78.5 in superscript 2. A equals pi times or superscript 2 equals 3.14 times 5 superscript 2 is equal to 3.14 times 25 equals 78.5 in superscript 2. Key, radius is half the diameter. If the problem gives diameter, divide by 2 first. Question 3 of 3. A rectangular box is 5 cm long, 4 cm wide, and 3 cm tall. What is its volume? Option A, 60 cubic centimeters. Option B, 120 cubic centimeters. Option C, 90 cubic centimeters. Option D, 180 cubic centimeters. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 60 cubic centimeters. V equals length times width times height equal 5 times 4 times 3 is equal to 60 cubic centimeters. Volume is always in cubic units, cm superscript 3, ft superscript 3, in superscript 3. You scored 3 out of 3. Perfect geometry score. These formulas appear on every GED math test.